Hey, I'm Donald Bell. Here's some side-by-side footage we shot comparing the HD video recording quality of the 4th generation iPod Touch and the Flip Ultra HD. Okay, so overall the audio and video quality of the Flip comes out on top, and if you're just looking for an HD camera, I'd say go with something like this. But if you want an all-in-one that can browse the web, edit recordings, upload to YouTube, and work with video chat, the iPod Touch really can't be beat. For CNET.com, I'm Donald Bell.